Morning students, this is Vijay, Department of Chemistry, Mount Zion Matriculation Higher Secondary School. So in this session, I am going to discuss part 5, unit 3, P block element 2. So we are going to see the preparation of phosphorus trichloride. Is it clear? The preparation of phosphorus trichloride. So when white phosphorus, the molecular formula P4, is it clear? You don't consider these four. It's a mistake. So white phosphorus P4 is going to react with SOCl2. What is SOCl2? Thionyl chloride. Is it clear? Thionyl chloride. The product is PCl3. PCl3 is a phosphorus trichloride. SO2 is a sulfur dioxide. Then S2Cl2 disulfide dichloride. Is it clear? Disulfur dichloride S2Cl2. Is it clear? So what is the equation balance? First we are going to balance phosphorus P4. Is it clear? So product side only PCl3. So add the coefficient 4. Now you check it out. Chlorine. How many? Chlorine here 12 and here 2. Is it clear? So we need to increase chlorine in a reactant side. And also check it out, sulfur. Is it clear? 1 here, 2, 3. So add the coefficient 8. Is it clear? 8 2s are 16. So increase the coefficient here 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 12 is a 16. So the equation is balanced. Is it clear? So this is a method we are going to prepare phosphorus trichloride. Is it clear? Then the properties. The properties of phosphorus trichloride. When phosphorus trichloride is going to react with cold water, it gives the product of H3PO3. What is H3PO3? Phosphorus acid. Is it? Phosphorus acid. So the molecular formula H3PO3 and give the excess of product HCl. Is it clear? So number of chlorine 3. So 3 moles of HCl and hydrogen 3, 3, 6. So 3 moles of water. So the equation is balanced. So when phosphorus trichloride is hydrolyzed with a cold water, it gives phosphorus acid. Is it clear? And this reaction involves the coordination of water molecule using vacant 3d orbital. You just underline vacant 3d orbital. In phosphorus atomic number 15, so the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3 and 3d orbital is vacant. So on this vacant orbital, phosphorus atom following by the elimination of HCl, which similar to the hydrolysis of SiCl4. What is SiCl4? Silicon tetrachloride. Is it clear? Silicon tetrachloride. So a similar product is possible. Is it clear? So next, the phosphorus trichloride hydrolysis will form the intermediate product. Is it clear? Phosphorus trichloride is hydrated to form intermediate. Is a phosphorus trichloride hydrated. Is it clear? And give a coordination compound. The vacant d orbital form a coordination compound like an intermediate and give the excess of HCl. And this reaction followed by 2 more steps give what is POH3 or H3PO3 is a phosphorus acid. Is it clear? So this intermediate is an unstable compound. Intermediate is a byproduct. Intermediate compound going to react with H2O water will give the another intermediate H2PO2Cl2. Okay, excess of HCl. And further H2PO2Cl react with water to form H2PHO3. Is it clear? What is that? H3PO3. Is it clear? H3PO3. It's the same product. What is that? Phosphorus acid. and excess of HCl. So this is followed by two more steps will give the product of H3PO3. Is it clear? And a similar reaction is occurs with other molecules that contain alcohol and carboxylic acid. When alcohol react with PCl3, phosphorus trichloride, give C2H5Cl. What is C2H5Cl? Is a ethyl chloride. Then H3PO3 is a major product. And ethanoic acid, C2H5OH. So total ethyl carboxylic acid. This is a form of carboxylic acid. So total number of carbon is 3. So it is considered as a propanoic acid. Is it clear? It's a propanoic 2 carbon. Here acid 1, total 3, methyl ethyl propyl. This is propanoic acid. React with PCl3, phosphorus trichloride, will give the product of propanoyl chloride. The propanoic acid react with PCl3 will give the product of propanoyl chloride is a byproduct, and a major product is H3PO3, phosphorus acid. Is it clear? Uses of phosphorus trichloride. Okay, it is used for the chlorinating agent. Is it clear? It is used for the chlorinating agent. In the previous reaction, alcohol is chlorinated, will give the product of ethyl chloride. Acid chlorinated will give the product of propanyl chloride. So PCl3 is act as a chlorinating agent. Addition of chlorine is a chlorinating agent. So it's a previous reaction we discussed. And the preparation of H3PO3, and also it is used for after the chlorinated will give the product of H3PO3. Phosphorus acid is a main product. So two uses as very important. Chlorinating agent and also the preparation, it is used for the preparation of H3PO3 is a phosphorus acid. Then the structure of PCl3. So already we know the valency electron in phosphorus 5. Among the valency electron, 3 valency electrons are involved for bond pairing with 3 chlorine, and 2 electron is considered as a lone pair electron. What is lone pair electron? Non-bonding excess of electron is considered as a lone pair electron, and 3 electrons are bonded with 3 chlorine atom. So the structure is possible like this way. And chlorine to phosphorus, the bond distance is 204 picometer. Is it clear? And chlorine to chlorine, the bond angle is 100. The daughter represent as a front side axis bond, is a back side axis bond, is a plane of axis bond. Is it clear? Okay. The preparation of PCl5. So phosphorus pentachloride. When PCl3 react with Cl2, will give the product of PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. Is it clear? When PCl3 is treated with excess of chlorine, will give the product of phosphorus pentachloride. What is the chemical properties? When heating phosphorus pentachloride, it decomposes into phosphorus trichloride and chlorine. So is it clear? When phosphorus pentachloride decompose, will give the product of PCl3 and Cl2. Is it clear? Okay. When PCl3 is react with excess, will give the product of PCl5. Is it clear? And the other ones, PCl5 react with water. Is it clear? React with water will give the product of POCl3. What is POCl3? Phosphoryl chloride and HCl. When phosphoryl chloride react with excess of water, will give the compound of H3PO4. What is H3PO4? Orthophosphoric acid. Just noted, H3PO4 is orthophosphoric acid and HCl is excess of product. Just write the overall reaction. Is it clear? So is a product, is a reactant side and it is a product side. Now we are going to write the overall reaction. So just cancel POCl3 and POCl3, and the reactant side number of PCl5 1 and number of water molecule 4 moles of water and H3PO4 1 mole and HCl 5 mole. So it is a overall reaction. And what is the final reaction? When PCl5 react with water, will give the product of H3PO4 and excess of HCl. This is the product. So H3PO4 is orthophosphoric acid. When phosphorus pentachloride react with metal to give metal chlorides, is it clear? Metal chloride. It also the chlorinate organic compound similar to the phosphorus trichloride. We already discussed the phosphorus trichloride. Similar manner, it is chlorinate the organic compounds. Is it clear? So what is the reaction? When silver is a metal, is it clear? Silver is going to react with PCl5, will give the product of silver chloride. So silver is chlorinated. Is it clear? And excess of PCl3. When tin is going to react with PCl5, will give the product of tin chloride and excess of PCl3. When alcohol going to react with PCl5, alcohol, the hydroxy group is replaced by Cl. Is it clear? Alcohol group is replaced by chloride. So what is the product? Ethyl chloride is a product. When all carboxylic acid, is it clear? Propanoic acid react with PCl5 will give the product of, already we discussed, what is the product? C2H5COCl. What is the product? Propanyl chloride is a product. Propanyl chloride is a product and HCl, POCl3 are excess of product. Is it clear? And next, uses of phosphorus pentachloride. Uses of phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5. And these compounds also act as a chlorinating agent and replacing the hydroxy group by chlorine atom. Is it clear? So next, the structure of oxides and oxoacids of phosphorus. When phosphorus form phosphorus trioxide and phosphorus tetroxide, phosphorus pentoxide. Is it clear? These are the form of phosphorus oxides. So now we are going to discuss the structure. Phosphorus trioxide, 4 phosphorus atoms lie at the corner of tetrahedron. What is tetrahedron position? So the 4 phosphorus lie on the corner 1, 2, 3, 4 corner. It creates the tetrahedron. And 6 oxygen atoms along the edges between the edge 1, between the edge 2, and between the edge 3, between the edge 4, between the edge 5, and between the edge 6. Okay, the 6 oxygen atoms along the edges. The phosphorus to oxygen bond distance, phosphorus to oxygen and phosphorus to oxygen distance 165.6 pm, which is shorter than the single bond distance of phosphorus to oxygen 184 pm due to p pi and d pi bonding and result in considerable double bond character is also possible. Next structure we are going to discuss. So how to draw the structure? Just consider inside benzene like structure. Is it clear? Benzene is a 6-member cyclic structure, benzene like structure, and here one boat form. Is it clear? Is a boat form, and in between here one boat form. Is it clear? So corner, fix the corner 1, 2, 3, 4 and fix the edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the structure is easily possible to draw. What is p pi d pi bonding? Is it clear? What is p pi and t pi bonding? Generally it is a sidewise overlap or lateral overlap. to each other orbitals. So generally it is makes the pi bond. Is it clear? Pi orbital is a anti-bonding orbital. Okay, is making the pi orbital. Next, in P4O10, what is P4O10? Phosphorus. Yes, pentoxide. Phosphorus pentoxide. It is a vapor state. So how can we write? And also 2P2O5 phosphorus pentoxide. It is also possible to write. In P4O10, each phosphorus atom form 3 bond 2 oxygen atom and also an additional coordinate bond with oxygen atom. The terminal coordinate P2 oxygen bond length is 143 pm, which is less than expected angle cut, which is less than expected a single bond distance. This may be due to lateral overlap of filled p orbital of an oxygen atom with empty t orbital of phosphorus. Already we discussed empty t orbital. Valency electron 3s2 3p3 and next position is vacant in phosphorus. So in this pi bond is possible in this position. So lateral overlap is a sideways overlap or parallel overlap to each other to make the pi bond. Is it clear? And what is the structure? P4O10. Is it clear? P4O10. What is the position of phosphorus in corner? Okay, it just look like benzene like structure, and corner you just fix the phosphorus 1 2 3 4. Is it clear? Okay, all the phosphorus having double bond oxygen 1 2 3 4. Okay, and also single bond 1 2 3 4 5 6. Is it clear? Okay, and here a double bond oxygen to phosphorus 143 pm, but the single bond is 160 pm. Okay, the bond distance is 160 in single bond, 143 is double bond. The bond angle between oxygen to oxygen 102. Is it clear? This is a double bonded position, but single bonded 123. Is it clear? So how we are going to draw the structure? First is just draw a 6-member benzene like structure. You just fix the corner is phosphorus. Each phosphorus contain double bond oxygen and the edges also having the oxygen. What are the edges? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Is it clear? Okay. And next, oxides of phosphorus and their structures. What are the oxides of phosphorus? H3PO2, then H3PO3, H4P2O6, then H3PO4, then H4P2O7. These are the oxides of phosphorus and their structure. The Lewis structure. Already we discussed what are the conditions for drawing the Lewis dot structure. Is it clear? So you just go through the structures also. What is the name of the compound? H3PO3, hypophosphorus acid. H3PO3, orthophosphorus acid. And H4P2O6 is hypophosphoric acid. Then H3PO4 orthophosphoric acid. Then H4P2O7 pyrophosphoric acid. Is it clear? Okay. Next, oxides of phosphorus and their preparation. Okay, the oxides of phosphorus and their preparation. So what are the oxides of phosphorus? Already we discussed the oxides of phosphorus and their oxidation number +1, +3, +4, +5 and +5. +1 in H3PO2. In H3PO2, phosphorus oxidation state +1. In H3PO3, phosphorus oxidation state +3. Already we discussed how to write the oxidation state. Is it clear? We just go through that. And H4P2O6, what is the oxidation number of phosphorus? +5. Similarly, H3PO4, then H4P2O7. Then how we are going to prepare this compound? When phosphorus react with water, will give the product. When P2O6, what is P2O6? Phosphorus trioxide react with water, will give the product. And phosphorus react with oxygen and water, will give the product. And P4O10, what is that? P2, what is that? P4O10, phosphorus pentoxide. Is it clear? React with water, will give the product. And finally, the product of pyrophosphoric acid, H3PO3, dissociate, will give the product. Is it clear? Just noted. When pyrophosphoric acid is prepared by the dissociation of H3PO3. What is H3PO3? Is a compound of orthophosphorus acid. And next, we are going to discuss group 16 oxygen group elements and their occurrence. The elements belongs to the group 16 is called as chalcogen. What is a compound? The form of elements are most of 16 group element are called the special name of chalcogen. These O's are oxides and sulfide form. These O's are occurs in oxides or sulfide form. The first element, oxygen, the most abundant element, exists in both dioxygen in air and combined form of oxides is also. In dioxygen O2, about 20% weight as well as in their volume. Oxygen and sulfur makes up about 46.6% and 0.034 and earth crust by weight respectively. Sulfur exists as a sulfate like gypsum and Epsom. What is gypsum? Is a calcium sulfate, hydrated calcium sulfate. Just note out the molecular formula CaSO4.2H2O. Is it clear? CaSO4, calcium sulfate dot 2H2O is a gypsum. What is Epsom? Epsom is a magnesium sulfate, MgSO4.7H2O. Hydrated magnesium sulfate is Epsom. And sulfides like galena. What is galena? It is a lead sulfate, BBS. What is zinc blende? ZS is a zinc sulfate. Is it clear? And it is also present in organic ash. It is also possible. The other elements of this group are scarce, and it is also from selenites. What is selenites? Ce2 minus. Selenate is a Ce2 minus. Okay, and tellurides Te2 minus with their sulfate, with form their sulfate O's. And next, the physical properties of group 16 elements. Generally, the physical properties deals with melting point, boiling point, density, atomic radius, and electronic configuration. So the physical states are possible. So the physical properties of 16 group elements: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. These are possible in a standard temperature physical state. Oxygen exists a gas. What is the standard condition? 293 Kelvin. Sulfur exists solid. Selenium exists solid. Tellurium exists solid. Polonium exists solid. The atomic number 8, 16, 34, 52 and 84. Isotopes: oxygen exists, oxygen isotope 16, sulfur 32 and selenium 80, tellurium 130. Polonium exists as a 2 isotope, one is a 209, another one 210. So similarly, atomic mass and electronic configuration. Next, atomic radii of group 16 element and density, is it clear? And melting point and boiling point. Next, we are going to discuss the preparation of oxygen. The atmosphere and water contain 23% and 83 by mass of oxygen respectively. Most of the world rocks contain combined oxygen. By the industrially, the oxygen is combined by fractional distillation of liquefied air. In the laboratory, the oxygen is prepared by one of the following method: the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide in the presence of catalyst MnO2, manganese dioxide, by the oxidation with potassium permanganate. When hydrogen peroxide dissociate, will give the product of water and oxygen molecule. Is it clear? When it is going to react with permanganate ion in acidic medium, it will give the product of oxygen, water and manganese ion. So in a thermal decomposition of certain metallic oxides, is it clear? Thermal decomposition of metallic oxides. So a mercury oxide is going to heated or treated, will give the product of O2, and barium dioxide treated will give the product of barium oxide and O2, were favorable product. And KClO3, what is KClO3? Potassium chlorate. Clear? Potassium chlorate is going to heated with the condition of manganese oxide, will give the product of KCl and the favorable product O2. What is KNO3? KNO3 is a potassium nitrate, heated will give the product of O2, and KNO2 is excess. What is that? Potassium nitrite is a product. So these are the reaction thermal decomposition conditions. Certain metallic oxides are oxonium cut. The thermal decomposition of certain metallic oxides and or oxo ions gives oxygen. And next, the properties. The properties of oxygen. Under ordinary condition, oxygen exists as a diatomic gas. Oxygen is a paramagnetic. What is paramagnetic? A presence of unpaired electron is considered as paramagnetic. Like nitrogen, fluorine, oxygen form strong hydrogen bonds. What is hydrogen bonds? Hydrogen bonds are classified intermolecular hydrogen bond, intramolecular hydrogen bond. Inter, without the molecule having hydrogen bond. Intra, within the molecule having hydrogen bond. So It exists as a strong hydrogen bond. Oxygen exists in two forms of allotrope, namely dioxygen, ozone, trioxygen. Is it clear? Although the amount of ozone occur at sea although negligible, the amount of ozone occurs at sea level. It formed in the upper atmosphere by the action of ultraviolet light. In the laboratory, ozone is prepared by passing the electrical discharge through oxygen at a potential of 2000 volt. About 100% of oxygen is converted into ozone. It gives a mixture known as ozonide oxygen. Ozonide. Is it clear? Ozonide, addition of oxygen. O3, addition of O3 is ozonide oxygen. Okay. Now we are drinking mineral water. Why the taste of mineral water different from other like tap water? Because the mineral water is excess of ozone is supplied, ozonide, that is a reason. A pure ozone is obtained as a pale blue gas by the fraction distillation of liquefied ozonide oxygen. So oxygen dissociate to form atomic oxygen. Further atomic oxygen react with oxygen molecule will give the product of ozone. Okay. So the structure of ozone, O3 is a molecular formula ozone. So O3, okay, already we know the rules for the Lewis dot structure. So count the total number of electrons, draw the single bond each one, and distribute the valency electron, check the octet rule and shifted to the valency electron for making the octet double bond or triple bond. Is it clear? So the structure is possible: oxygen double bond, oxygen to oxygen single bond, the formal charge plus and formal charge minus. Why minus? Count the number of electron: 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So excess of electron, so is indicate minus, but here count the number of electron: 1 2 3 4 5, deficiency of electron, so it is plus. And also we can possible to calculate by the formal charge formula. Okay, so these are the resonance structure. Is it clear? When the lone pair is shifted to bond pair, the bond pair shifted to lone pair, so the resonance structure is possible. So next, the ozone molecule have the bend shape. Is it clear? The bend shape and symmetrical with a delocalized double bond between oxygen atom. Is it clear? And the chemical properties of oxygen and ozone differ vastly. Oxygen combined with many metal and non-metals to form oxides with some elements such as S-block elements. So considerable, it is a notable one. The combination of oxygen occurred at a room temperature. It is a condition. And next we are going to discuss some of less reactive metals react when powder finally and made to react exothermically with oxygen at room temperature, but the lump of like gold is unaffected under the same condition. What is exothermical with oxygen? What is exothermic? Exothermic is a heat liberated, heat is released condition. Heat is released, exothermic. Okay. But unaffected, what is the lump of metals unaffected under the same condition like a gold. Is it clear? And these finally divided metals are known as pyrophoric. What is a pyrophoric? Is a substance that ignites spontaneously. What is pyro? Just noted. It is a substance that ignites spontaneously. It is called pyrophoric. When set of powder on fire, its heat is liberated during this reaction. That's why it is called exothermic. On the other hand, the ozone is a powerful oxidizing agent and it reacts with many substances under the conditions where oxygen will not react. For example, it's oxidize potassium iodide to iodine. Is it clear? The oxidize potassium iodide to iodine. This reaction is a quantitative, underline quantitative, and can used for estimation of ozone. So, what is the reaction? When ozone react with potassium iodide, it oxidize to give iodine, where reaction with water, where ozone react with potassium iodide, reaction with water, when potassium iodide is oxidized, potassium is oxidized, KOH, potassium hydroxide, and excess of O2 and iodine. Potassium iodide is oxidized from iodide. Ozone is commonly used for the oxidation of organic compound. In acidic solution, ozone exceeds the oxidizing power of fluorine and atomic oxygen. The rate of decomposition of ozone drops. Alkaline solution, partially in alkaline solution. What is alkaline solution? A mixture of base solids dissolved in water, that is alkaline. Is it clear? Alkaline solution, a mixture of base solids dissolved in water. Is it clear? Generally it is alkaline. The rate of decomposition, we are going to increase the rate. What is the rate? Generally the speed of reaction is called rate. The rate of decomposition, ozone drops partially in alkaline. So the rate of decomposition in alkaline solution is lower. The ozone is lower. That is a statement is explained. Next we are going to discuss the uses of oxygen. Oxygen is one of the essential compound for the survival of all living organism. Is it clear? And it is also used for the welding purpose. So what is oxyacetylene welding? Oxyacetylene welding is a common method of gas welding. Is it clear? And oxygen plus acetylene provide high temperature flame for welding, that is oxoacetylene welding. And also the liquid oxygen is used as a fuel in rockets. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you, students.